and today I'm going to be showing you how to harvest roots. These include things like carrots, parsnips, celeriac and beetroot. Carrots will be ready to lift about 12 to 16 weeks after they've been sown. This is obviously a difficult date to remember unless you put it in the diary, so it's worth having a check along the row. Push back the foliage of your carrots and see if the carrots have shoulders. If they're 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in diameter, then your carrots are ready. These ones are perfect, and I'm going to lift them gently with a fork. It's worth leaving carrots and celeriac in over winter. They will survive with a little bit of horticultural fleece. Parsnips, on the other hand, are best left until the winter to pull. The frost turns the starches to sugar and they become really sweet and tasty. That said, you don't want to leave them too long because they can get too big and the core can get woody. Celeriac is ready to lift from October when the root ball is about the size of a cricket ball. If they're not that size yet, it's worth removing some of the leaves around the root ball to give it as much light and sun as possible so that root ball develops nicely. Small is beautiful when it comes to harvesting your beetroot. They're normally ready about 45 days after sowing. It should be about golf ball size. Any larger and they'll be fibrous and not very tasty. They're great at golf ball size because then you can roast them whole. You're looking for the shoulders again, like you did with the carrots. Pull up alternate roots so you can allow some of them to get bigger. And don't forget you can also use the leaves. They're great in salads.